Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will tell you how to delete Facebook account temporarily or permanently. Steps are very simple. Just want to follow you with me. Let's talk about it. Firstly, you have to open the Facebook account. Here you can see the three lines at the top right corner. Click on it. Here you can see the setting option. Click on it. Now click on the profiles. Here you can see the account center. Click on it. Scroll down. Different options are present. Click on the personal detail. Now you can see the account ownership and control. Click on it. Deactivation and deletion option. Click on it. Click on your profile you want to delete. If you want to temporarily delete, then click on the temporary, and if you want to permanently delete, then click on the permanently. I want to delete temporary, then click on the temporary and continue option and continue. Enter your password. You need to remember its password. If you don't remember its password, then click on the forget and continue. You want to see your Facebook account will be delete temporary. I don't want to delete my page, account. I don't continue. So you continue and you want to see your Facebook account will be temporary delete. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for helpful tutorial.